everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm sharing with you guys room decor DIY ideas and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. And this is the first video of 2020. So let's just begin the video. So for the first DIY I just grabbed my big popsicle sticks and placed them like this. Yup, and next I just leveled them up and grabbed my hot glue gun and applied it like this and just pasted these small popsicle sticks in order to bind the big popsicle sticks together. And I just repeated the same stuff. So to be honest, I'm a lazy person, so don't expect a good voiceover from this girl. Yep, and next I just grabbed some small popsicle sticks and probably painted them with black color marker and pasted them on the base that I made using big popsicles. Yep, and that's pretty much it. I just used these popsicle sticks in order to just give detailing and stuff to the base and to make it look a bit more like cool. And that's how my base looked like or turned out. And next for this DIY I just grabbed some colored paper and wrote no bad days because it's 2020 girl. We want productive days in which I don't use my phone 24/7. And I just pasted those and just pasted a rope. I'm using actually wool, you can use anything, and this is how it looks. So for the next DIY I just used this glass jar that I got from a wedding card, and yes, I just pasted this chocolate wrapper because it was looking cool, and I'm lazy to cut paper in the shape of a circle that might fit in the jar. And next I just pasted this flower stuff that you can get easily in any stationery shop for around 5 rupees. And yes, I just pasted it, and next I just grabbed jute rope, whatever you call it, and wrapped it around the name slip that consists of the name of the people who are getting married. And in this case we have Nishant weds whom? Turn it. Nishant weds Sakshi. Okay, so I'm covering your whatever. And yes, I just covered it with blue jute rope, and in order to give it a more cool look I just covered it with natural jute rope. And yes, I just covered it. You can see the end product which is coming in front of you in few seconds. And this is how it looks like, and I'm just going to use in a different way, and I'm gonna post a video related to it. So yes, next DIY. So for this I'm just using this medicine glass container, some paper ropes or wool or jute rope, whatever you have, and I'm just going to use some cello tape and do the following stuff with both of these things. Yes, you can just watch it because I'm lazy, I'm not doing a voiceover. So bye, watch it, bye. Okay, wait, so I'm gonna post a part 2 of this video which is going to be more crazy and exciting, so watch that video for sure. Hey, are you still watching? So comment this emoji and I'll get to know you have watched till the third one, and maybe you will have another emoji for the last one. What am I saying? Oh, ignore my stuff. Let's talk about the DIY. So this DIY is actually cool, easy, and maybe not that impressive, but it's okay, it's not bad. And don't mind the flowers, I don't have small flowers and I'm not buying them for a video. I just realized I'm just sleeping Literally, I'm sleeping, and you can get it from my voice and this bad voiceover. And I don't know what to do with my channel. People must think that look at the girl, she's having exams and she's posting craft videos and not studying. And this DIY, let's just talk about the DIY. So yes, this is actually just a frame, and I'm using the same technique that I used for the first DIY, and it is pretty easy. You don't need a voiceover for it. I know you guys are really smart and I'm too lazy. So yes, let's just watch it. Yeah, while sleeping, I'm just wondering, I might get a lot of dislikes, maybe, and maybe a lot of bad comments because of my laziness. But okay, I don't care. I care, but I don't care. So subscribe. The uncle is saying subscribe. On to the next DIY. This is actually not a DIY. I'm just sharing it because I did it and I need to create some content. So I'm just pasting this poster of Joker OMG on my cupboard. That's it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and comment this emoji if you made this far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.